Hello everyone, welcome to Study Automation. In this tutorial, we will see how we can refresh our page without any extra code. Just we need to add HTML tag to refresh the page. For example, if you are working on some of the news related application or any application where you want your page to be refreshed within the given time frame. For example, you want your page to be refreshed in every 2 seconds or every 3 seconds. How you can do that? Through HTML code. So let's get started. Here I have some sample code. What you have to do is inside head you have to add meta tag, meta, and then we have http eq, and here you have to write refresh, and then you can write here content to be refreshed in every, let's say, 5 seconds. So this is in seconds, so you can give here 5 seconds or 10 seconds and then just save your program. And after that, once you will refresh your page, this page will be reloaded in every 5 seconds. So you can see reload happens. And if you want to just validate that, then in that case you can add some of the JavaScript code and then you can check whether page is reloading or not. For example, to add JavaScript code, you can add here a script tag, and then here maybe I can write console.log, and then I'll say hi, save it. So this one will be printed on page load itself, but after 5 seconds this will be rewritten. So here we are not making any API call or anything. You can do that inside your HTML code, but if you want, you can use your local storage, and inside local storage you can add something here, and then based on that you will see the output. So this is how you can refresh your page, and this code you can add in any of your application, whether it is React.js, AngularJS, or any front-end application. This is just pure HTML. You can add it, and then your page will be refreshed in every 5 seconds or 10 seconds. Thank you so much for watching the video. Do like and subscribe the channel.